Hey everybody, today we're gonna make Cacio e Pepe pizza. This pizza is simple and easy to make, and I'm sure it's gonna be delicious, but it is a two-step process. We're gonna make the sauce first, and then we're gonna make the pizza. Here it is, guys, Cacio e Pepe pizza. It turned out beautiful. Amazing. Here's the bottom of the pizza. Perfect. So to make Cacio e Pepe pizza sauce, we need 2 cups of ricotta cheese. We're gonna need 1 cup of pecorino romano cheese. We're gonna need half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna need some salt. All right, time to make the sauce. Two cups of ricotta cheese. Half cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 cup pecorino romano. This is going to make a beautiful sauce for our Cacio e Pepe pizza. Here comes the sauce. The beautiful sauce we made. Oh, it looks good. Look at that. Outstanding. Spreads real nice. Fresh mozzarella. Some regular mozzarella. When you put the cheese on the pizza, always add the cheese around the crust more, because it's gonna slide down to the middle. Some Parmesan cheese. And it's ready to go into the oven. Cacio e Pepe pizza. Turned out beautiful. Amazing. Here's the bottom of the pizza. Perfectly cooked. I just can't say enough how well this pizza turned out. It looks amazing. The smell of fresh cracked pepper on a melted cheese. Outstanding. So only one thing to do. Let's try it. It's finally time. Let's try this amazing pizza. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at that slice. The fresh cracked pepper on top of the melted cheese. Look at the bottom. Perfectly cooked. From the side. And I put some of that sauce that we made. I slapped it on top as well. Let's try it out. Outstanding pizza. So good. this could probably be the best white pizza I ever had in my life. Outstanding pizza, guys. Wow, this is it. I'm gonna call it right now. This is the best white pizza I ever had. I don't know if this qualifies as white pizza, but I'm gonna call it white pizza. It's the best white pizza I ever had. Follow this recipe, do it, make it, enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.